We will start today's class, but only 26. Yeah, we'll start today's class. So, the, yeah, Kritik, can you share the screen, beta?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Kritik, are you starting?
Sir, co-host, sir, I can't say so.
Okay. Yeah, now you can.
Can you see it, sir?
Yeah,
Yes, yes, it is visible.
you, yeah, you can zoom it. Yeah, thank you. So here, last class we learned some other things, and today we learn how to align the text on cells and the remaining topics which we have in your textbook. So the same alignment options are there on the same ribbon on home tab. You can see there alignment one group is there. In a home tab, alignment group is there. You can see the same options, but some more options we can see on that alignment option. So you can type something there, at least one, two, three, or anything. Yeah, enough. You can drag them all up to 10 or 5, all that 4. Yeah, drag them all. Drag down, drag down. Okay, so you can see there on the screen uh, some numbers there. So we have alignment, formatting, text alignment is there. So by default, as we said, the numbers will be right side on your cell. and the text will be left side to your text, cell. You can see on the screen very clearly numbers are right. You can select alignment there. Alignment, yes. See here, you have three types of options are there. One is text alignment, text control, and right to left. And one is orientation is also there to the right side of your screen. Okay, so here horizontally, you can take them as horizontal. You can select the drop down arrow that will be in left, right, no, besides horizontal one, yes, up one, that is vertical. You can take horizontal, yes. You have left, center, right, fill, justify, axis, some other, many are there. We use left, right, center, justify, fill. Okay, you can take anyone, like right it is there, no, left you can take. And vertical vertical scroll down also you can select, and that is also to center you can take center. Yes, and here the wrap text, string to fit, and merge cells. Three options are there. You see here what is wrap text, that means we will go through that. First of all, you can select here to the right side, you have a degrees, it is showing the degrees. So that in a cell, how it should be designed, or how the text will be located, or how it text will be aligned on your cell. You can make any like you can say the text will be aligned in some degrees. You can take 45 degrees there. Whether it is going to come or not, we will just see. A cell space, it is automatically coming to the down, okay, to the next line. But if you select string to fit, you click on again, you deselect that wrap text, merge cells also remove it. Yes, you select one, okay. You see there, can you type anything on that A3? Double click on it first of all. Yeah, now you can type something, anything you can type, one, two more lines, two more words. Still, yeah, you can enter now. See how much you type in the same cell, it will decrease the size of your font, but it will not extend the cell. Okay, that is what string to fit. And we have that merge cells also. Merge cells, that means if you want to make two cells into one cell, you can make it. Okay, so the same options, instead of going there like right clicking, formatting cells, the same options are there on the top of your screen. Home ribbon, alignment options are there. Alignment, can you see that alignment? You can click on the bottom right corner arrow mark, it is showing directly. You can click on that. Okay, can you click on that first option, A3 and B3? Yeah, you can select that alignment group. Yeah, there, no, upside up, that one, that's what. You can select that arrow mark, then it directly goes to that alignment group. Instead of taking right click and selecting that what we can say, formatting cells, these all directly you can click on there. Okay, and you can select that merging cells also if you want. That merging cells we will learn now directly. So you can click on that merge cells once, remove that string to fit. Okay, 3 again, A3, B3, C3, D3. A3, B3, C3, D3. Yes, up to that. Yes, now you click on that merge center again, merge and center again. Merge and center, you click on that merge and center again you select it. Yeah, that will be taken as merge. Okay, it will be in a center of to that 4 cells, and you can write like some headings like table name or school name. If you are writing something, you can take any number of cells you can take as this merge and center. Okay, and how to make the text bold, italic, underline, you all know that. Like you have on the top of your screen in the group font group, bold, italic, underline, you have 3 options over there. Okay, no need to select the text, just you select that cell. Directly you can select the cell, automatically it will take that bold, italic, underline. Okay, and here changing the font style, font size, you know that. Also on the same font group you have font changing and font size changing is also there. Calibri you can see there, and 11 is you can see there. You can change if you want to change. Okay, and applying colors to your fonts, sorry, cells. If you want to select colors, you can have these colors on the same group. You can see to the right. Just a minute. Yeah, you have their cells. Otherwise you can click on that, right click on that format cells, go to format cells again. Yes, you can select fill option there. Fill, yes. Now you can see there some colors over there, and fill effects is also, you can see there some fill effects also you can see. Can you click on that fill effects once again? Fill effects here, yes. I hope you can have, yes, gradient tools, gradient filling is there. You can select any color over there, and here to the color 2, it is showing color 1, color 2. You can select any colors. Color 2, you can take yellow or green. Yeah. Okay. Vertical here, shading colors, vertical, diagonal, and diagonal down. You can say from corners also, from center also. You can take any one among them. You can click on OK, and there also you can select OK. Okay, you can select OK. You can see that gradient tool background, it is taken there. So you can select, drag it down, take that heading also, and select these all text. Select the all text. Yes, that's what I said. And now you can select these. Uh, we are in shadings, no? Yeah, you can right click over there. First of all, we need to select the text beta. Only one, yes, only up to there you select. Yes, up to there, enough. Yeah, you click on right click and take fill, format cells. Yes, format cells again. Yeah, you can select borders over there on the top of that borders. Yes, and here you can see there are 4 options are there. One is line, color, and preset and borders. See here, you can take any color among them, any line, any style you can take. Like we will take generally for this, we will take only this, which it is taken now. Okay, you can take that first one there. Yes, yes, and color also we will take black color only. If you want to take any color, you can take. Generally, by default, we will take black color, but you can take any color. If you have only color printer, it will be printed on the all sides. You can click inside. It is showing there, no, last option. All borders, 4 borders. then the same lines will come which we have taken over there. In color style is also, yeah, you can click over there.
Sir, it is coming only to click,
Which one
sir.
click? In which one click? Okay, no problem. So you can see that, and color also text, you select the text. And this is what, and maintaining worksheets, if you want to take more sheets you can take directly, you can delete over there. Yeah, you can see that deletion, it is leaving from that sheet panel. Okay, yeah, now it is okay, beta. And if you want to, okay, let them. And if you want to change the order of uh, sheets, if you want to change the order of sheets, if you want, here it is sheet 8, at the end it is there, and sheet 7 it is here. So you can click on that sheet 8 and you can drag it down to before IT class. Yeah, you can drag it to there. Yes, you can leave it. Yes, you can make the change, you can change the order of them. Okay, you can change the order if you want to change the order. Then if not, you can leave it anywhere. There is another process also to make it order.